Hello everyone, you're on the Handmade channel. Today I'll show you how I make a Toyota AE86 Trueno out of modeling clay. I'll show it to you when the car isn't fully finished yet and how it looks during the sculpting process. So I'm making this Toyota out of two types of modeling clay, hard sculpting clay and very hard NSP clay. At this point, almost the entire car body is ready, the underbody, the front and rear parts, and I've also started working on the interior. Fortunately, there's a lot of information about the underbody, so I was able to make it very accurately. I'm making the car out of very thin clay, just 1 mm thick. The body parts, side elements, as well as the front and rear sections are made from it. I first make the interior elements out of hard clay and then cover them with thin colored clay so I don't waste paint and I don't have those colors anyway. The car also has a frame. Although it's very simplified, it's still enough to hold the body parts together. There is foil on the body panels. It's needed to make the clay stronger so it doesn't sag and keeps the right shape. I'm making the car according to blueprints, so it's possible to keep the correct proportions of the body. And I also use the 3ds Max program to view the car in 3D. I try to make the car quite detailed because I'm really interested in making this Toyota. I like cars like this, especially since it's a drift legend, which makes working on it even more exciting. But no matter how much I like it, it's going to be destroyed, though not anytime soon. First, I need to finish it completely, and then I'll think about how to make its destruction more interesting. The front headlights will open, or rather, they're just removable. I couldn't make an opening mechanism here, so I had to do it this way. The wheels for this car are also ready. I think they'll look really stylish once this AE86 is finished. Since the roof pillars are very thin, I had to use wire, because if I made them out of clay, the structure would be too flimsy. This way, it's very sturdy. That's it, this is how the Toyota looks right now. I think it was interesting to see what everything looks like at this sculpting stage. Next, there will be a full video about it. If you liked this video, give it a like and also subscribe to the channel if you're interested in my clay creations. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye everyone.